Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create Binance Web3 Wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. For that, you need to launch your Binance mobile application, and then log into your account. After that, you need to tap on the Binance icon in the top left-hand corner, and here select the Web3 Wallet option. Now, currently I'm using the Binance Lite version of the Binance application, but if you are using the Binance Pro version, then you need to first tap on the More Services option. And there you will be able to see the Web3 Wallet option. So you just have to simply tap on it, and then you just have to wait for some time until it is creating a Web3 wallet for you. Now, as you can see that it is showing me this pop-up that you need to verify your identity in order to create a Web3 wallet. So if you haven't already verified yourself on Binance, then you need to make sure that you verify yourself. And then after following these steps, you will be able to easily create your Binance Web3 wallet. Now, as soon as you create your Binance Web3 wallet, the first thing that you need to do is to simply back up your wallet, which is mandatory for each and every individual. To do so, you need to just back up your wallet, and you just have to keep the recovery phrase somewhere safe in your account. This way you can easily create Binance Web3 wallet. So that's basically how you can create Binance Web3 wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.